Get noticed in this 2008 Porsche Boxster. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.